Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to use the OCR PDF function in the ILovePDF app. Just open the app and go to the tools, scroll down a little bit, and here is OCR PDF. Tap on this button, select the file you would like to work with, file with some text. Next, now select the language so that you can search for words that are written in the language you choose. Click on the red button and wait a few seconds. Let's see my file. Now we should be able to find words in it, like movement. Click on it. So yeah, it works. I hope it will be useful for you as well. Thanks for watching.